Hey folks, Amber Broadway here, and this is being recorded live on Thanksgiving Day. I don't know about you, but in my family we've always had a long tradition of skiing on Thanksgiving, and today here at Solitude it is just glorious. So we've been open for a couple of weeks now. We have almost all of our lifts open and a good majority of our terrain. We're keeping an eye on a really promising storm next week and hoping to add in access to the Honeycomb Canyon terrain. Today is Eagle's first day and we're already seeing a ton of skiing and riding over there, and we know our locals are really pumped about that. So here we go, we'll just take a quick spin down Main Street and then we're gonna go in and we're gonna talk to Danny Sorensen, our marketing coordinator, about our new Solitude app that's super awesome, as well as showcase a nice thankful gratitude to our team here with a Thanksgiving meal. All right, so here I am with Danny Sorensen, our marketing coordinator, and she's gonna talk to us a little bit about our new Solitude app. If you haven't downloaded it already, you need to do that. Get on the App Store. It's incredible. So Danny, tell us a little bit about some of the key features that folks can find on there.
Yeah, the app is a great place to access dining information, snow conditions, updates on real time on what lifts are open and what terrain might be open, even which gates are open on the mountain. It's also awesome. It has a live tracking feature while you're on the mountain, so you can track yourself, your vert, track your friends even, and see what other people are skiing. It's also awesome. You can see the parking status in both of our parking lots to let you know if it's full or if it's going to fill up soon. It also has our webcams on there, so you can see lift lines and just look at the snow conditions from the webcams. It also has a lot of important phone numbers on there as well in case you need to call ski patrol or access other services. Additionally, you can even book lift tickets, rentals, or lodging through our app too. Has a lot of the same capabilities as our website, but it's a little bit easier. You can have it right in your pocket and access everything just through your phone.
Yeah, so I know some people have been asking, why isn't the Honeycomb camera on there? What's up with that?
That's in progress. We're getting those cameras that are on YouTube feeds, we're getting those added to the app hopefully this next week.
Cool. And throughout the day, it's always a good idea to hit refresh, because if we've made update changes to lifts or trails, and you hit refresh on the app, it'll pull that feed right in.
Yeah, that Moonbeam parking camera is also one that will be added shortly too.
Awesome. Well, Danny and the whole marketing team and the greater sales and events team here at Solitude has done a lot of work on getting this together. Thank you so much, Danny. I love it. Download it now. It's going to be a great tool. Here we are in Last Chance Lodge, and behind me you see our employee Thanksgiving meal. This has become a new tradition. We started it last year so for all the employees that have to work on Thanksgiving and can't be home with their families, we want to take care of them. So our huge props to our food and beverage team who's prepared all the food. We have members from our events team and some of the senior leadership volunteering to serve. And you know, of all of the things here at Solitude that we are most grateful for, it is our team. Because we can't do anything for you, our guests, if we don't have an incredible team that is taken care of and celebrated and just appreciated. So again, happy Thanksgiving. I'm really looking forward to the storms that are looking to come in next week and getting even more of our terrain open. I wish you all a happy and safe holiday, and I'll see you in a couple weeks.